Now the topic is volume of hemisphere. Firstly, we will understand what is the formula to calculate volume of hemisphere. It will be followed by numerical example. To derive the formula for the volume of a hemisphere, we can start with the formula for the volume of a sphere. The volume of a sphere can be calculated with the help of formula 4 over 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of a sphere where r stands for radius. You know that the hemisphere is only half of the sphere. The volume of a hemisphere is also half of the volume of a sphere. So the volume of a hemisphere is 1 over 2 into 4 over 3 pi r cube. So we will arrive at 2 over 3 pi r cube. So this is the formula to calculate the volume of hemisphere. Now the question before us is, find the volume of a hemisphere with a radius of 6 centimeter. Now what is given? We have been given radius of hemisphere r is equal to 6 centimeter. What we are to calculate? We are to calculate volume of a hemisphere. We know that what is the formula to calculate the volume of hemisphere? It is 2 over 3 pi r cube. Now we will fill in the relevant values. 2 over 3 pi stands for 22 over 7. Now we will fill the value of r cube. So we will write 6 into 6 into 6, and if we solve it, we will arrive at 452.57 cubic centimeter. So this is the volume of hemisphere. This is the answer before you. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give star rating to our course.